Do you want to know how you can create a Telegram group? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Telegram group. Open the Telegram in your phone and then click on the three lines on the left hand corner. Go to New Group, and now you can add the contacts in your phone. You can selectively add your contacts, and if you're done, press on Next. Now on the top corner, you can see that there's the name of your friends. Remove it and you can create a new group name. Let's suppose I want to name the group as New. After naming it, I'll press on the tick mark and then I will select a photo. You should allow the permissions and you can even add emojis as the group photo. After you're done, press on the tick mark on the bottom hand corner and a new group will be created. So this was a video on how you can create a new group in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.